Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do call vibration settings in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. While receiving incoming call, if you would like to get some vibration along with your call ringtone, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of a phone here, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select call vibration, and basically it is set to basic call. Okay, if you want to do some other settings like to change some other call vibration, yes, you can do it here. Lot of options are available: short, medium, basic call, heartbeat, tiktok, watts, jig jig jig. So I have finally selected jig jig jig, and this jig 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 call vibration will occur if you use only vibrate, or if you are using incoming call along with vibration, etc. Okay, if you don't want any call vibration, then you have to select the first option, silent. No call vibration will be occurring while receiving your incoming call. Okay, I would like to set finally tiktok, and this is the call vibration as of now for my phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.